Hey Malik, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a couple things that you could start doing to bring in more customers. Now, we're solely a digital marketing company, so we do anything from social media management through different avenues, all the way up to websites and search engine optimization. So in this quick video, it's going to be more of an SEO audit, and I'm going to focus mainly on getting getting a website and how that would help you, but I will touch on a little bit of your social media here while we're on the page. So just looking at your website, I saw that your most recent post was August 22nd, and that was updating your cover photo and your profile photo, and since then you haven't posted. So one thing I would highly recommend is making sure that you're posting frequently. Google really cares about seeing or not Google, Facebook really cares to see how much people are posting. So the more you're on Facebook posting stuff, the better. I will say one thing that is really good is that you did these videos and reels as well as photos, because they really like the content in videos. So the only thing that could really improve it is getting more interaction. So trying to make it more people click on it really is going to help grow it. Now, let's dive into what I do best, and that's going to be making websites and getting them ranked. Now, what I'm going to touch on mainly is just kind of the benefits of it, right? So I typed in carpet cleaning Phoenix, and your number one competitor is this Zero's or Zero's Phoenix, right? This website. Now, their website's pretty nice. I can tell that they're a big chain, and you can tell that they kind of do a lot just based on how it looks, but their website's not hard to build. But the first thing you want to do when you have a website built is focus on the content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage, and that's just to be fully optimized and compatible with the algorithms that Google runs. Secondly, what you want to look at is the keywords. Now, when you write the content, 1,500 words is great, but what it really helps you do is get the buy-in, or rather get the keywords that you can get for people searching for it. So for example, I typed in carpet clean in Phoenix, so the algorithm will look for that exact phrase. Now, a tool I use called Ahrefs can show you everything about a website. So looking here, we can see that they have 1.5 thousand backlinks, but they're being found for 3.8 thousand keywords. So let's go ahead and just look at these keywords and see what they are. So we can see that they're number one, obviously, for their business name, Zero's Phoenix. But if we scroll through, we can see they have Zero's, however you want to pronounce it, prices, Zero's, ceiling grout, Phoenix carpet cleaning, which is the inverse of the carpet cleaning Phoenix. But what I want to highlight is a couple things. One, yes, they're in these top positions for these words, which is the most important. But two, this exact phrase is being searched 1.3 thousand times. Zero's Phoenix you probably wouldn't have on your site, but you would definitely have carpet cleaning Phoenix, and you could be getting 1.3 thousand searches. Or let's look down here where we see 1,000 for Phoenix carpet cleaning. So right there you have 2,000 people every month looking for those. And if you're in the top 5 spots, 80% of people won't scroll past that. So you've got a good chance of gaining at least 800 of those 1,000 to at least check your website out. And once they check your website out, obviously it's only uphill from there, but you can definitely make a lot of those closes. Something over 30% is the national average of close rate. So if 800 people, if 30% of those clicks, imagine the deals that you could be closing. So these are the main things we look at SEO. Lastly, we look at backlinks, which are going to be links from one website to another. And this is what drives your ranking in Google the most. These are going to be getting an SEO person or yourself to go out there and get relevant, high quality websites to send links to your website, ultimately raising your DR. The DR is your domain rating and kind of the authority of your website. It's basically all a big popularity contest, but Google cares the most about this. So if you do well here and you do get found here, then you could have these 7,000 clicks a month on your website and bringing in more business. So in conclusion, we talked about 3 things. Well, 4 things, really. We talked about your Facebook and how you want to be more present on Facebook. Secondly, we discussed the importance of having a website and how you're missing out on a lot of clicks. Thirdly, we discussed the SEO and some optimization techniques to get you to the front of Google. Now, you can take this information, do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want to see what other tricks I have up my sleeve and other ways that I can bring in more business to you by building a website and getting you to the first page of Google, then give me a call or shoot me an email back. Again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.